In this video, I'll show you how to update your HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E or many other models, honestly. So we need to go on the small display. An update can be made with your smartphone, but honestly, if you can do it over here, it's much quicker. So make sure the printer is turned on. You're gonna press menu once, go down, okay, more. Okay, once you see tools, click on tools, maintenance, firmware. It will tell you the version that you currently have. And if there is a new update available, you're going to get one with a green check mark on the top. All you have to do is to press the update button over here. It will say complete the update to receive all available features. Obviously, the printer needs to be connected to the Wi-Fi if you want to do this. Press continue and now just let it run, okay? It can take a few minutes depending how fast your internet connection is. And yeah, come back in 10 minutes, 15 minutes and everything will be done for you.